Hi, my name is Jonathan Sarine. I have a verse here in section 133 of Doctrine and Covenants, and this revelation that Joseph Smith received is in reference to questions that the elders had regarding preaching the gospel. And it's down in verse 57. It says, "And for this cause, that men might be made partakers of the glories which were to be revealed, the Lord sent forth the fullness of his gospel, his everlasting covenant, reasoning in plainness and simplicity." And we see that in the Book of Mormon, that it's very plain and simple regarding these truths that were being restored from the Bible. Likewise, we can be very plain and simple in our writing technical documents. That is a similarity between the Book of Mormon, the Scriptures, and this class, technical writing. Thank you.